Oh. Welcome to Aljubel.
Yeah.
This is the outermost part of Aljubel beaches here in Saudi Arabia. KSA.
Lakad ka doon, pare. Pare. Yan.
This is the seashore of the beach of the beaches. One of the most prestigious beach of the beaches of the whole world. See the background of the ocean? Yeah.
Okay, man.
Yeah, I have nothing to say anymore.
I have some questions, man. What do you like about Saudi, man?
Yeah, I like their women.
250 only.
Yeah, 250 only. And their exotic food.
Yes.
That's the best, you know, man.
Yo, man.
Yeah, my man. Yeah, put a nice seaport.
Okay, let's go to Seaport.
Yeah.
Upload. This will be uploaded on YouTube.
Naka-on-air pa ba?
Tagal yan, boy. We're walking along the desert storm.
You know, I do miss my old-time friend in the Philippines.
Who?
You know? He misinterpreted the word of the
Yeah, Saudi boy.
walking. Wala na masabi.
Magkwento ka na magkwento. Dito sa Saudi.
Ay,
Lahat kami katulong.
Oo. Mahirap boy dito. Ano akala nyo? Heaven?
Pero, daming playground dito. Oh, see? Dito.
Ano kagandahan dito sa Saudi? Ang dami accommodations. Hindi ka to sa Pinas.
Gutom.
Gutom! Yan, tignan mo, pinag-aaksayan pa ng panahon, no? Yan, shot mo. Yan, merong ano yun, guardhouse, ano?
May playground yan.
Oo.
Playground for kids.
Ang dami yan, every 100 yards.
There is, huh?
Oh, there is like that.
For free. For all the nationality. What about those guys? What
They're
about
from
those?
Pakistan,
Yeah.
Afghanistan.
Those
They
guys.
clothes wear by Bruce Lee before.
All of them, no? Putang ina, Anthony. Putang ina, deserto.
The Blair Witch Project ka, bro.
Yan, matinik yan. Delikado yan. Yan ang mga... tinik yan. Matinik yan. Ayan, ang dami niyan, no? Trap yan niya. Makaroon. Okay. We're now for the final
This is the final
destination. Destination ng Saudi.
Shut it down.
Tangi, ang dami nito.
Ay,
Mga
mo!
bata. Okay, natinik ang kasama ko, natinik.
I told you this is one of the biggest of beaches.
There's a trap, man. Oh, yeah, tupo dito. Yeah, tupo. Okay, man. That's it, man. Yeah, boy. Get. Oh! Dali mo!
Yo!
Come on, man.
Yo!
Ayaw ng buo. Ayaw mo buha ka? Okay.
May ikot ba to?
Oh, wag na. Okay, man.
Yeah, very clear, oh. Oh. Would you imagine, this is one of the signs of how rich is Saudi Arabia. Look at this seashore, these seasides. Oh, they're wasting their money on this kind of commodities. Oh, look at this. The Philippines, you cannot find one of this kind of amusement in the beaches.
Pero walang tao. Nagkaroon tao dito sa beach na to. Tuloy-tuloy lang to, boy. Saan ba na? Sakit. Ano ako? Tinik. Tinik ang kati niyan. Matagal matanggal. Matagal. Okay. Tagal to boy, 1 oras to.
Ito yung pagkain natin.
Friday.
Friday.
Okay. We go along the road, man. Do we have to go back? No, not yet.
This is one of the symbols of Saudi Arabia. If
Yeah,
you were
yeah.
here, it looks
You
like
have the
your,
phone area.
your schooling, you know?
Yeah,
Look at this California bus.
from New York. Okay, there is so much tourists here, no?
Yeah. One of the
Every
stories
Friday.
that American getting oil here in this country in
Yeah.
exchange of these old buses of
Oh, yeah.
California
Yeah.
buses, you know?
Yeah. And also for the girls, man. They're changing that for the girls.
Pero ito modified na, oh.
Pininturahan lang yan. Okay to, pare.
Yeah. Yan, metal product. Organisasyon.
Oh? Ang ina. May mga makukulit na dyan yun. Uwi na tayo. Ano ba yun? Doon na yun.
Ano mo naman, Joe? Double party.
Oh, ayun na yung ano oh. Ayun ang pag ano mo doon.